Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get Twitch cape in Minecraft. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Minecraft. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now to get any kind of Twitch cape in your Minecraft, all you need to do is simply tap on your home screen or play screen, which will let you have this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the dressing room option. Once you tap on the dressing room option, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can simply scroll down to get your Twitch cape as a skin option. So by doing this, you can simply get your Twitch cape on Minecraft. So basically, Minecraft events and promotions often award capes that you can equip on characters to show your participation. So this is also provided by such kind of events and promotions. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.